It's time to set that core on fire with day 8 of my Daily 10 workout program. No repeats and no equipment in today's ab workout. Roll out that mat and let's get started.
We fell away on a winter season holiday. We made mistakes, but we'll right the wrongs along the way. Times have changed, now I'm living down in West LA. Just take my hand, there's no looking back on yesterday. Places that you never knew. I'll take you away. I'll love you today. Morning will come. I'll be the one next to you. Mercer Island, here I come for you. Take you places that you never knew. I'll take you away. I'll love you today. Morning will come. I'll be the one next to you. Another season holiday. It made me shake, but I went up to you anyway. Life has changed, I've been thinking about us every day. Just take my hand, there's no looking back on yesterday. Mercer Island, here I come for you. Take you places that you never knew. I'll take you away. I'll love you today. We can fly on. I'll be the one next to you.
Chasing stars, seeking lights, never-ending paradise. The universe so wise. Let's get out of this soul play. You are paradise. Paradise to paradise. You are paradise.
something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something
And that's it. Nice work, guys. I hope those abs are feeling the burn after today's core workout. We are 8 days into the Daily 10 program, and tomorrow we're gonna pick up the pace. We've got a cardio session ahead of us, so rest up and I'll see you guys then.